Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious vegetable frittata. First, gather your ingredients: 6 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and about 2 cups of chopped vegetables. Good choices include bell peppers, onions, and spinach. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your frittata cooks evenly and quickly. Prepare your vegetables by washing and chopping them into small, manageable pieces. Now let's get those veggies cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in an 8-inch oven-safe skillet over medium heat. Add your harder vegetables, such as bell peppers and onions, and saute for 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender crisp. For softer vegetables like spinach or mushrooms, add them during the last 2 minutes of cooking. This prevents them from becoming overcooked and mushy, keeping their vibrant texture. Time to bring it all together. In a separate bowl, whisk your 6 large eggs with 1/2 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Pour this egg mixture evenly over the sautéed vegetables in your skillet. Transfer the skillet to the preheated oven. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the frittata is set in the center and lightly golden brown on top. Your delicious vegetable frittata is ready. Carefully remove the skillet from the oven and let the frittata cool for about 5 minutes before slicing. This helps it set completely and makes for cleaner cuts. Garnish with some fresh herbs like chopped parsley or chives for an extra burst of flavor. It's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a light dinner. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.